Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be putting the seat together with the post. So if you're putting a new seat on your bike, this is how you assemble it. Okay, so first, if you have a quick disconnect, you'll pull this up and then loosen it a little bit too. And you can pull the seat until it comes out. So you'll notice it has the two rails that are coming through here. And we're just going to kind of build this from the outside in. So we're going to take our 14 millimeter, in this case, nut, and we're going to take this piece here that has that little ledge on it. So we're going to put these two together, and we're going to take the post, and the post is going to go through, and then we're going to thread this on. We're not going to tighten it down yet, but just get it threaded. So you have that piece that looks like that. Next, we're going to bring in this piece here. And if you notice, it has these grooves on it. Those face on the inside. So this is going to form, like a little circle there. So basically what that's doing is going like this onto that one side. So see how those puzzle pieces kind of go together. And again, we have grooves here. So you will next have this piece where the seat actually comes through, and it has these nice serrations in there too. So we're gonna put this through, and basically that's what it's gonna look like. We're just gonna do this on the other side too. Now this can be kind of a tight fit here to squeeze in, so we want to be careful with it. But next would come this piece here, and again it kind of locks in on those teeth, and it's gonna have to also go on the inside of this this bar. Okay. So kind of had to give it a little squeeze there to get this to do what we wanted it to. Okay, then on this side we'll add the same thing. The back side. Make sure everything's lined up. Okay, so that's the basic assembly here. Okay, to spread this out, you can take two screwdrivers, put them in at the same time, and then just push them opposite ways. That should spread that out enough that you can get your seat post in here. Okay, so that was a little difficult, but we just had to use these to spread this out and then put this down in there. Now we can tighten these up. We can put it on the bike first and then adjust it how we want and then tighten it down. Okay, now we can slide this back down in. And then you're gonna wanna, this will clamp down. If it does it too easy, then you wanna tighten this back side here until it's somewhat hard to close that down. Okay, so set it how you want it to pivot at the right height, then tighten those down. So thanks for watching. Please check the video description for a full playlist of other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.